If you follow my channel, you will know this is my Aston Martin Vantage and it is an incredible car. But there is one problem. It only has 2 seats. So being a dad with a lovely wife, a 6-year-old daughter and the latest addition to our family, we needed a bigger car to go with the Aston Martin. And here's what we got. So here it is, the new ABAUTO family car, a 2009 Land Rover Freelander 2. It's amazing how good value this car was. You won't believe this, but I got this whole car for under 6 grand. It's had only one owner from new and it's covered a total of 85,000 miles, which, let's be honest, is nothing for one of these. Let me give you guys a full tour.
The Freelander 2 was first introduced in 2006 and production ran until 2014. It was built on the Ford EUCD platform, which it shared with the Ford Mondeo and Volvo XC60, meaning it's much more reliable than many other Land Rovers. It has a full-time 4-wheel drive system that's capable of some proper off-roading. It's a true SUV, unlike the modern crossover cars. Mine here is the popular 2.2 litre diesel, which produces 160 horsepower. This is a great engine and I'm often surprised on how fast the car feels pulling away. I'll show you later in this video when we go for a drive.
Inside, it feels like a proper SUV. I love how everything is huge and big and chunky. It's got so much character. And then we've got this wheel here that goes through all these different off-roading drive modes. There's even one for going down steep hills. I mean, this is a proper capable car. It's also really well equipped for a 15-year-old car. It's got automatic wipers, automatic lights, dual zone climate control, and it even has a premium Alpine sound system. Now this is the family car though, so the only music I've heard from this sound system is the soundtrack to Frozen. But hey, it sounded pretty good. In the back here, there is a silly amount of space. My daughter has been loving this car. Then we have this massive boot, which is perfect for the dog. Now, this car is not perfect, but remember, it's over 15 years old, so there's a few scratches around here and there, but for this kind of money, it's still unbelievable. Now there's a really good reason why we went for something much older and less precious. This is the family car after all. My wife's going to be daily in it. She takes Amelia to school 5 times a week in this car. Then after school she takes Mickey, our golden retriever, up to the woods, and as you'll see here, he gets so muddy. So this car is perfect. So how reliable is this car going to be? I mean, it is a Land Rover after all. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss if anything goes horribly wrong with this old Land Rover. Right, so how does this car actually drive? Let's take it for a drive now. So this is the key. It's quite a funny one. You push it into this slot here, a bit like a cassette, and then it actually has a stop-start button. So you put your foot on the brake, and the diesel engine fires up. It's got a super comfy, fully automatic gearbox, so we just pop it in drive, classic manual handbrake, and we're off. Now this might be because I'm used to the Aston Martin, but visibility in this car is absolutely insane. It's like a big greenhouse. There's windows everywhere and I can see absolutely everything. And of course we're high up so we can see way ahead on the road. So this particular one has the 2.2 litre diesel engine and it is surprisingly quick. I mean, you put your foot down and it just goes. There's so much low-end torque in diesel cars. And remember, I own a 500 horsepower Aston Martin, so that's pretty incredible. I will say though, it literally sounds like a tractor. I mean, I quite like it to be honest, because that's how this car should sound. These cars are like farmers' workhorses. Listen. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but yeah, it sounds like a tractor. Handling is not great to be honest. There's a lot of body roll, but you know, it's as you would expect on a car like this. I'll tell you what though, it is super comfortable. I mean, you know, you're high up, the suspension's good, the seats are nice, the driving position is surprisingly good as well. Yeah, I mean, this car, it surprised me on every aspect. If you're looking for a workhorse or just a really, really safe family car for under 6 grand, these are amazing. So guys, that is the latest addition to the ABAUTO lineup, a 15-year-old Land Rover Freelander 2. What could possibly go wrong? If you like this car and you want to see more, make sure you follow the channel, because in the next video on this car, I'm going to be taking it to a Land Rover specialist and they're going to do a full health check on the car. So we're going to find everything wrong with this car. Oh, fingers crossed, hopefully it's not too bad and we bought a good one. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a bit different. Normally we have the Aston Martin, we've got supercars, performance cars and a Land Rover, but I bought this car for the wife mostly, and I thought to myself, this could actually be really interesting for content. So guys, I hope you're going to follow me with the Land Rover and see what happens. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.